Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be going over my Boxycharm box I got today in the mail. Here it is. Here's what the box looks like. Oh my god, it's upside down. Okay, and I'm just going to show y'all what I got this month in this box. For a disclaimer, I do buy this box with my own money. This box is not sent to me. So far, I've had this box since January, and I freaking love it. This box is $21 a month, and you get up to 5 to 6 full-size products. And this box is always $100 or more worth the product, but this box is only $21 when you subscribe to it. And I do other boxes. I also do my Ipsy box too, well, bag that I get. And if y'all like these type of videos, please leave me a big thumbs up, and we are gonna jump into it. So when I open the box, it looks like this. And it has a little sheet that tells you about the box. And it looks like this. It's really cute. It says road tripping, and it's gonna tell me what is in the box and how much the product costs. But anyway, I'm going to get into it, and I'm going to tell you how much each product is worth and my idea on it, so let's go. Okay, so I opened the box and I see a bunch of cute stuff. Oh my gosh, this is annoying me. This little, it's pissing me off. I'm going to fold it down. There we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go over in the box is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No Baggage. This is an eye depuffing gel. So it looks like. That was my puppy. I'm sorry. So this is $42. And I don't really use eye depuffing, really. But my boyfriend will use this. I like make him use stuff because sometimes he has bad under eyes and stuff, so this will work for him. So it looks like it comes out of a little tube like this. That's really cute though. It's $42, so don't mind if I do. And so the next thing I see is a mascara by the brand Wonder Beauty. It says it's called Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It looks like this. Looks like a lipstick. I'll show you what the wand looks like. I love trying new mascara, so I'm excited to try this. And this is $24. Next I see is a tantalizing tape eyebrow cream. And I don't ever use stuff like this, but this is really cool. It has like a brush for your eyebrows. And then the other side is like a cream, a powder. And this was $26. I don't know what the color is in it. It looks like it's brown, and I have black eyebrows. So I probably will give this to my friend. Next I see is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil by the brand Note. That's what it looks like. And my shirt is annoying. Open it up, and it's a really cool tone. Well, actually like a warm tone blush. I like that. It's corally. And it looks like something's under it. Oh, it comes with a little brush, which I will not use. But it looks really pretty. I will definitely use this. This is $11.99. I'm shocked at that. I thought it was gonna be more than that. And the last thing, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So my fifth item is, usually you get a face palette or eyeshadow palette. And this is by the brand Crown. And I have a few of their brushes that I got in Boxycharm as well. Oh, why is it not focusing? There you go. And let's see what this looks like. Looks like this. Black rose gold. I like the packaging. It's pretty. Ooh, it's straight warm tone palette. Very pretty. I would definitely use this. This reminds me of the Heat palette by Urban Decay. That's what it reminds me of. And I'm pretty sure there's a million other warm tone palettes out there that this reminds you of. That back in there. And that is everything that's in my box. So I'm going to add up how much everything was, and I would let you know. Let's add it up real quick. So this box, all the products in this box is $132 is how much all these products cost, and these are all full-size products, and this box is only $21 if you subscribe to Boxycharm. So I love this. This is my favorite box subscription that I get. I just love that it's full size, and it's just so fun to get new makeup like this every month. So I really love Boxycharm. I like it better than my Ipsy. But I love it so much, and I think it is definitely worth the $21 a month. So, but that is it, you guys. If you like these kind of videos, like I said, let me know. Hit that big thumbs up and leave some comments below, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will have my Ipsy box coming up soon for this month, and this is for July. So this is my July Boxycharm box. And that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.